How to fix unable to activate Touch ID on iPhone error on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, if either day you encounter the unable to activate Touch ID on iPhone error on your iPhone or iPad, at first you can clean the home button and your finger. Make sure the home button and your finger are clean and dry and wipe them with a lint-free cloth to remove any dirt or the moisture that could interfere with the Touch ID. You can also enable the Touch ID for the iPhone unlock and iTunes in the App Store by going to the settings, then going to the Touch ID and passport and entering your password, and then turning on the toggles for the iPhone unlock and iTunes in App Store. You can also force restart a device and the iPhone 6s and older or the iPhone 7 and Plus and iPhone 8 and later by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. You could also delete and re-add your fingerprint or reset all the settings or update or reinstall your iOS. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.